Now to that U.S. Open outrage, a French player punished for flipping her shirt around on the court, while the men face no penalty for changing their shirts in the heat. ABC's Adrian Bankert is here, and Adrian, people are saying this is a serious double standard.
Yeah, I can see Cecilia's face right now as I'm looking at you and then looking at the whole team here.
I had nothing to do with it. Look at me.
Well, you know, it was hot outside for just regular folk.
Oh, yeah.
But just imagine playing in Arthur Ashe Stadium in this kind of heat. Day 2 of the Open, 5 players forced to withdraw. Alize Cornet was not one of them. She bravely soldiered on, returning to the court after a 10-minute heat break. Then she did something a lot of guys have been doing all day. She quickly changed her shirt on the court, away from cameras. She turned away from the cameras to do that. The reason for the court change, in the locker room, she put her shirt on backwards, and she noticed. She got a code violation for unsportsmanlike conduct for changing her shirt. Turns out men are allowed to do that. Women cannot. Reaction on Twitter very swift. Sharon Suter responding to this topless picture Andy Murray's mom posted of her son with "Where's his code violation?" Hashtag Alize Cornet. Murray's mom later tweeting about the unfairness of the sex disparity. The same day Cornet was getting a code violation, check out Roger Federer and Novak Djokovic. Not a care in the world. They took their shirts off. Alice Warren speaking for many when she tweeted out, "The whole situation's not fair, not right. Tell your daughters." Now, I do have to say this, and again, I'm just making sure that I confirm all of this correctly. The USTA has an extreme heat policy for women where they can take a 10-minute break. That's what Alize was reportedly doing. She took a break to cool off. Men, up until now, did not have that same rule. So they wouldn't leave the court, and that explains why they've been taking their shirts off.
Sports bra, and you have your shirt on backwards, and maybe when you're playing, it's restrictive in some way, but I don't see the big deal with that.
Tongue. Don't look at that. Get yourself in trouble right now.
Well, I think a lot of people feel the same way, and I think obviously they're thinking, what's the big deal? She had a sports bra on.
Is a code violation a big deal? Do you know?
I mean, from the look on her face, it was. Yeah, she didn't appreciate it.
Did she win the match?
Alize Cornet.
I don't know if she won the match. Honestly, I was more concerned about the shirt thing. Let's get to weather. All right.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.